Today we will be exploring 4 methodologies for attraction. These methodologies can be divided into 2 categories: contribution-based approaches and process-based approaches. Generally, it is understood that potential partners have strengths and weaknesses. We each have different priorities and do not generally weigh all aspects equally when it comes to potential partners. If a weighted average approach is preferred, the person will generally have pros and cons in relation to their potential partner. Depending on the relative perceived weights of each contributing factor, a potential partner would be classed as a yes, no, or maybe. In the first graphic, intelligence, personality, and security are enough to overcome the perceived drawbacks in appearance and social status. However, in the second graphic, the minimum threshold for appearance is not met and the potential partner is not considered to be desirable. Our 2 process-based approaches for today are increasing intimacy and experiential. In the case of increasing intimacy, for some, the goal may be to move from acquaintances to a friendship of sorts, but to spend the minimum amount of time before seeking romantic involvement, to avoid getting stuck in the dreaded friend zone. However, others may prefer longer periods in each stage, in which case the 2 inner circles would be smaller. An individual may, for example, choose their acquaintances based on a common social sphere, their friends based on their personality, and their romantic partners based on an emotional connection. An experiential approach for a sapiosexual individual may go as follows. Interesting conversations spark interest, excitement, and curiosity. Shared interests and values may form the basis for a common frame of reference. Observation of the potential partner's character may lead to admiration, affection, and loyalty. Physical attraction becomes a natural consequence of, rather than a catalyst for, a potential relationship.